What's another language? I'm overthinking this. Kia ora everybody, how's it going? Jordan T. Mystic here, ladies and gentlemen. And where we're going, we don't need roads. Today, we are looking at part 2. That's it. Part dos. Part ni of my pencil case EDC. But this part is basically for the stuff we didn't get into the last video. Today is a little bit of a shorter video, but I wanted to get in all those honourable mention things I have in my Sketchbook EDC because I got things like iPads and some watercolour stuff like that, but you'll see what it is that I'm talking about. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Let's go over there. Let's go past Jordan. The beard is not going to be as beautiful. I'm so sorry. I got it crisped up by my dudes at Wise Guy's barbershop. So, but when I recorded, it was not as beautiful. It's very it's my lockdown look. I looked like a feral child. What are you doing here again? What, you're not past Jordan. Why are you even here? Where did you come from? Look, before you say anything, I just need you to know that I did not like the way you treated my sketchbooks last week. Throwing them around like that was what? It's so disrespectful, man. Do you know how long I've looked after those things? I've kept them dry. I've looked after, you know, it's just... Like, what's your damage, man? What's your deal, man? Can we just get into the video? Yeah, let's just get into the video, all right? Just go away, you know? It's just go away, go. Surprise, it is not past Jordan, it's actually future Jordan, and I've got my future glasses on. I'll take those off. I'll put them over here. Let's get into it. So, the honourable mentions. As you may have seen in the last video on the flat lay, there was some extra stuff. So let's get started. I want to talk to you about my iPad kit, my everyday carry iPad kit. So, I wear a glove. This one is a Huion one. You can get them from Huion. Wacom makes them. You can get cheap ones, expensive ones, doesn't really matter. They're everywhere. I have the iPad Pro 12 inch. It's 12 inch, yeah. I have the iPad Pro 12 inch and I run Procreate on that. I think the software update I have is the latest. Procreate is, I think Procreate 15, I'm gonna say. I use the Apple Pen. This has just got a grip. So with my iPad, basically, I've been using digital for years now, and the flow of digital, I love doing stuff in my sketchbook and sort of getting ideas together and then throwing it into the iPad, and you can color it on the spot. The iPad is just so much more efficient than a laptop. Look, I to be honest, taking those sketches and putting them into there, just amazing. When I do my skateboards, I take a photo of the skateboard and I mock up my sketch, take the sketch, put it straight onto a photo of the skateboard, and you already have a design, and then you can take that design, print it out, transfer it, and so on. So the next honourable mention is my travel watercolour kit. This is my travel watercolour kit. Eraldo, I'm going to butcher this, I'm really going to do my best. Eraldo di Paulo. Eraldo di Paulo. I got this from, I believe, Eckersley, which is a store here in Australia. It has this wonderful little brush. I'm realising I should probably stop wearing black. I realised in the last video, everything that I have is a black pen or a black brush. It's disappearing into my jacket. Wonderful little travel kit. I take a little cup with me. You can just get a plastic cup anywhere. Anywhere you're traveling, anywhere you're going, you're bound to find a plastic cup. So yeah, this little travel kit, you know, I watercolour in my sketchbook and I love to add, you know, a little bit of nuance to it every so often. That's a wonderful little travel kit. There's plenty of them on Amazon, and there'll be Amazon links for all of these products. But I just wanted to be transparent with you guys and let you know that it is going to be an affiliate link, and I will get a little bit of kickback. Let's finish it off. Finally, we have my phone kit. So my phone is always good to have on me for you know, doing sales, Instagram, all that stuff. My beautiful children there. I have an iPhone XR model. I actually just purchased myself an iPhone 13, so that will be in the next few videos. But as of recording, I have an iPhone XR. I've had this for 2 years now. It's wonderful. Screen's just getting too big for me. I've got an OtterBox case on it. As you can see, it's the pop socket one. The pop socket snapped off because my 1-year-old, he just loves playing with it and he snapped the little attachment bits there. And then I've got Airpods Pro. Again, I've had these Airpods Pro for maybe about a year now. I always have these on me in my Sketchbook EDC because you gotta have music, you gotta have podcasts while you're sketching. I just love the Airpods because you just ding ding, boom. There's your music, and they're really intuitive now. So the XR, again, it's in my kit because I've always got it on me. I've always got my AirPods for music. This is where I play the music from, but I also use reference images on my phone as well. So that's the whole kit, guys. That's the honorable mentions. Thank you for watching. If you would like to see the previous video, it will be up in a moment. Don't like and subscribe. Seriously, guys, just don't. Please don't, because he's going to come back. And I don't want him to come back. So please don't like and subscribe. Don't do that. It's just the algorithm's gonna tell me you want more videos, and then he finds out somehow, and I'm genuinely worried that he's gonna come back. So please just don't like and subscribe. Just leave it, okay? Just leave it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's that. That is the pencil case EDC part 2. Remember, as I said in the last video, I'll say it again here, the tools of the craftsman do not matter. What matters is the skills of the craftsman. What matters is the skills of the craftsman. No pencil, no sketchbook, no iPad, no software, no nothing will make you an incredible illustrator, artist, painter, what have you. Sketchbook unless you do the daily work on your drawing skills, on your creative skills. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments what you use in your pencil case EDC. Do you have a minimalist pencil case? You have a lot in your pencil case. You have one of those pencil cases like you had in high school and primary school, where it just has textures and sharpeners and pencils. Or you have a few little things like me. Has this inspired you? That's a lot of things to answer in the comments. Just let me know what's in your pencil case below. I would love to hear it. Link me to your Instagrams, link me to a photo of your pencil case. I would love to see what you guys have in that pencil case, and hopefully this has given you guys some ideas on how to better use your sketchbook kit and how to minimalize and essentialize your sketchbook kit. I have been Jordan T. Mystic, your host. This has been part 2 of my everyday carry pencil case. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, never forget, stay weird. Why are you here again? What's with why are you wearing a flannelette now? Is it, do you just put more clothes on every time you come? Do you just put more on? Dude, seriously, why are you throwing the sketchbook again? That's it. I've had enough. Had enough. Boys gotta clean up after this guy.
Tyrannosaurus.
Get up. Stop. Nah.